Oh, what is going on today, guys? It's Old Man Weiss, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't watched my channel before, I do an assortment of things. I build stuff, do landscaping stuff, I work on stuff, and we do some of these things right here. So if that gives you a clue what we're doing today, me and a couple buddies are gonna go to the shooting range, and we're gonna make sure we're proficient, good and trained, and make sure we're safe, and get a little shooting practice in. I'm gonna go over what we have right here, and yeah, like to see what we got. I got a Pardus 12 gauge right here. Smooth bore. I picked it up about a year and a half, 2 years ago. Shot it about a month ago. Seems to shoot all right. I got my old Marlin 22 rifle. I've had this gun since I've been about 6-7 years old. And I mean, she shoots good, shoots straight. I traded a 410 shotgun for this when I was younger from a neighbor. Right here we have my dad's M&P shield, the EZ Shield 9mm, the old lemon squeeze on the back. I have my Ruger Security Compact 9mm right here. Have my dad's 357 Magnum Ruger. This has not been shot, so we're gonna get out, shoot this baby today, and see how it does. Have my dad's 30-06 right here that's never been shot. Gonna go out, fire that, make sure everything's good, see if I can. Not really gonna be able to sight the scope in at the range because it's indoor range. And then we have his Henry 22 Magnum right here, lever action. Got that. That one's never been shot either, so we're gonna see how that shoots today. I'll have to get some ammo and some stuff for him, but besides that, that's what I got. I have a buddy coming over. He's got a couple 9mm, 22, a pistol. He's got a 40 cal and a few other guns. He's gonna bring his, and we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna get a little Wednesday morning shooting going. But I'll pick back up with you guys when we're at the range. We'll kind of go do a review. Alright, so I lied. We didn't do a review. I started to record some at the range, and there was too many people coming in and out, firing. And with it being an indoor range, you can't really get a good view of shooting and everything. So we did shoot. I'll show you guys a couple of the clips and stuff we did, but I don't really have a lot of good footage of it, so. But I did want to make you guys a video and get something out to you, because I'm getting more subscribers, my watch hours are going up, and you guys deserve some videos. But here in a couple weeks, we're gonna try to go to an outdoor range. I believe it's you know, I'm here in North Carolina. It's Hyatt. I think it's their outdoor complex. We'll probably end up doing some skeet shooting and some other stuff. I'll get the 30-06 out then. The rounds were like $2 a round, and I didn't feel like spending a lot of money. I spent like $100 this range day, which ain't bad, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. But let's get to the clips, and yeah, let's do that. Oh, what's going on, guys? We're here at Lake Shooting Range. We're getting a little shooting practice going on. Got my buddy Yusuf, and what was your name again?
Jameer.
Jameer, yeah. Alright guys, we got a Henry 22 Magnum lever action. I'm gonna load some rounds up. We're at what? I don't know who put it that close. Let's go 25 feet. Gonna shoot out 25 feet, load some rounds in here, and let's see what we can do. Alright guys, I was shooting a little low right, see, but that's not a bad grouping for 25 feet.
Bottom right.
Alright guys, this is John Muir. Just met him today. He's my buddy Yusuf's friend. Seems like a pretty cool guy. He's wanting to get into firearms, so we figured we would bring some out for him, the ones we have, and let him shoot them, get used to them, kind of show him how to operate them and everything. And he seems to be doing pretty good. He's a pretty good shot. He was shooting the Glocks, he was shooting the Rugers, the revolver. He shot the bolt action. We had the 12 gauge out there, but that had slugs in it. And I told him, I said it'd probably be best to shoot one with birdshot and stuff like that first. So we're gonna slowly break him in. We might go to an outdoor range and invite him, get him more used to some other gun etiquette stuff and everything, and yeah, seems to be doing good. Looking at all the guns. That'll work. Recorded. 357.